What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Got Rainey here with me.
What's up, guys?
Today we're going to do one box of 2017-18 Prizm Basketball. In this box you get 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. We're looking for 2 autos and a bunch of cool colored cards. So, Rainey, you ready to rip this?
Let's rip it up.
See what we got here, man. No whammies this time, man. No whammies. Let's see what we got. See some gold, man. I see gold.
Seriously. Gold, black.
Gold, yeah. Gold, black. Let's see it all, man. I just want to open up a pack and just be full of color, man. All right, we're gonna start off with James Johnson. Got a Semi Ojeleye rookie card, Wesley Wundu rookie card, Kevin Love, Tony Bradley rookie card, Ish Smith. Start off with a Trey Lyles auto. Dwayne Wade silver, Ivan Robb rookie card, Mike D'Antoni, and Brandon Ingram. Knocked out one of the autos pretty quick there.
Yeah, that's quick.
All right, we got Serge Ibaka, Harrison Barnes, Terry Rozier, Tomas Satoransky, Tristan Thompson, D'Angelo Russell, got a TJ Leaf Emergent, got a Hyper of Wesley Johnson, Ruby Wave of...
Coaches are killing.
I know, man. Bobby Portis, Ben McLemore, Russell Westbrook. Yeah, I do not mind the coaches in the base. I don't care about that.
No, it's just
when they're taking up,
parallel.
yeah, when they're taking up the prisms, it just sucks. All right, we got a Furkin, Eric Bledsoe, Brad Stevens, Malcolm Delaney, Paul Millsap, Anthony Davis. You got an Emergent of Bam Adebayo. That's pretty cool. Got a Hyper of Edmund Sumner.
That's cool.
Oh, wow. Got a Ruby Wave of Ike Anibogo. 2 rookies there. It's kind of cool. It's better than 2 coaches.
Right.
DeAndre Jordan, Kristaps Porzingis, Domantas Sabonis. All right, we got a Terrence Ross, Rick Carlisle, Kelly Olynyk, John Lure, Markieff Morris, Trevor Booker, fundamentals of Devin Booker.
You usually see 2 Bookers together.
Yeah, I know, right? Derek White, Silver Prism. Very nice. Mike Muscala, Blue. This one's numbered to 199. Brooke Lopez, Cristiano Felicio, and Mike Conley. All right, Jason Tatum rookie card.
Nice.
Jonathan Isaac rookie card. Kings coach Donovan Mitchell rookie card. 3 nice rookie cards right there. Reggie Jackson, John Wall. Oh my God. Let's back it up with another Lonzo Ball autograph, dude.
There we go.
And for a sticker auto, that is one of the best Lonzo autos I've seen. That is nice.
Yeah.
That is slick. That is slick, man. Wow. Got a silver Chinanu Anuoko. Got a fundamentals Hyper Anthony Davis. That is a slick looking card. Mike Conley, Dave Fizdale, Andre Robertson. Well, can't go wrong with a Lonzo auto.
No, you cannot.
Angelica, Patrick McCall, Dario Saric, Sterling Brown rookie card. What's going on, Sterling? Maurice Harkless, Mike Muscala. Got a fundamentals of Alonzo Mourning. Hyper of James Harden. Look at this. Ruby Wave, Kyle Kuzma.
Oh, there we go.
Killing him, man. I'm telling you, dude. It's like every box I pull one. Yeah. Ike, Kyle Kuzma base. Steve Clifford, man. Just love the Kuzma, man. All right, let's go. Bismack Biyombo, Kyle Lowry, Tyus Jones, Stanley Johnson, Otto Porter, Jay Kidd, the fundamentals of Rudy Gobert, silver of a coach, a blue of Miles Turner, number to 199, Austin Rivers, Chris Dunn, and Danny Green. All right, you got a DeMar DeRozan, Gorgie Dieng, Draymond Green, Bradley Beal, Matthew Dellavedova, Ed Davis, the fundamentals of Al Horford. Oh, sweet. Get hyped, Steph Curry.
There you go.
Oh, sweet. Even better. Get hyped, silver, Giannis Antetokounmpo.
That's what I'm talking about.
That is a sick card, man.
That is what I'm talking about.
Dwayne Wade, Derek White rookie card, and Chinanu Adawaku. Giannis is sick, man.
Yeah.
Beautiful card, man. Beautiful card.
Love it.
Jordan Bell rookie card, TJ McConnell, Devin Booker, Evan Turner, Marco Bellinelli, Trey Lyles, got a Justin Patton emergent, got a silver Brandon Ingram, got a purple Marvin Williams, number to 75, Sindarius Thornwell, Trevor Ariza, and Damian Dotson. Buddy Hield, Nikola Vucevic, Jakob Poeltl, Drew Holiday, Tobias Harris, Kelly Oubre Jr., the fundamentals of Kyle Lowry, got a hyper and a hyper of Billy Donovan, got a orange of Ryan Anderson that is numbered to 49. Got an Andre Robertson Ruby Wave, Darren Collison, Jordan Clarkson, and Zach LaVine. Yes, coaches, man, they don't. Luckily, the product is so damn hot it doesn't really matter, but
It's still frustrating.
It does get frustrating. Tom Thibodeau, David West, Jahlil Okafor, LeBron James, Jusuf Nurkic, Tyler Dorsey rookie card. Got a Harry Giles emergent. Got a silver rookie Ivan Robb. Slick. Oh, blue ice Frank Mason rookie card. Numbered to 99. That's sick. Pop, Clint Capella, and Juwan Evans rookie. Last pack. Not a bad box at all, man. TJ Warren, Scala Bissiere, Jonathan Simmons, Gary Harris, DeMarcus Cousins, Stan Van Gundy. Got a fundamentals of Buddy Hield. Get hyped of Carmelo. Emergent hyper Laurie McCannon. Nice. Tim Hardaway Jr., Nate McMillan, and Julius Randle. Well, that does it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos soon. So until next time, hit that bell. Until next time, y'all keep ripping.